Indiana State has a chance to clutch itself a finish in the top half of the Missouri Valley Conference with 2 wins this weekend inside the Holman Center. But in order to get 2 wins, you have to get the first one first. It's against the Valpo Crusaders, a program that, yes, is on a bit of a slide. Only 1 win since the last time they saw Indiana State on January 28th. But the Crusaders can win back-to-back road games for the first time since 2012 if they knock off Indiana State tonight, and they would avoid being swept by the Indiana State Sycamores in their first season in the Missouri Valley Conference. Now it's switched to Hamlet. Hamlet sees the ball go to Battle, and Battle with a floater from the far left elbow is straight. 6-2, Indiana State with its first field goal, 7:36 and ticking. 6:53 to go first quarter. O'Neal sidestepping her way through on a lane drive, and it's 6-4. Indiana State trails by 3. O'Neal shoots a 3. Drilled by Ashley O'Neal. We're tied at 12. Shot. Taya will hoist up a 3. Back iron. Ty Battle tracks it down near right side. Isaiah on the low block. Isaiah thinks about muscling up the shot, up and under. Converts it. Plus a foul on Valparaiso. Right wing Taya. Finds O'Neal. Cutting to the basket. Lays it off the glass on the right side. Indiana State leads by 9. It's the largest lead of the game. Lead has never gotten to double digits for either team. Taya will drive to the nail, through the lane, all the way to the rack, and lays it in for 2. Upper right-handed fingertips. It's an 11-point lead for Indiana State at the end of 3. A far wing, and Taya will drive. Baseline. Lobs it back out to Whitland. Whitland step back, near corner Taya. Taya will hoist up the 3. She knocks it down! 48-36, Taya. Bivens the ring, and Whitland on the backdoor cut and lays it in for 2. Rebound, it's back outside of Taya. Another 3-ball try, and she cashes in. 53-39, 13 points for Miss Taya. Corner Taya. Taya will spin her way through, lost her dribble, regains control. It's on the floor, off the Bivens. Bivens low block, up off the glass, counts for 2 and a foul. Indiana State will dribble out the clock. The Sycamores win back-to-back games for only the 2nd time this year. They pick up conference win number 8.
We're not shooting it real well, or we're not executing real well, which is going to happen. If it's going to be on the offensive end, then you better be getting it done on the defensive end. That's what you guys did tonight. All right, that's called toughness, is what that's called. That's toughness. Okay, great job tonight.